Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about, how to improve the output of AI language models like ChatGPT. While these tools are incredibly powerful, they do have their limitations. Sometimes the responses can be vague or just plain off the mark. But don't worry, with the right prompts, you can significantly enhance the quality of the output in just seconds. Effective prompting is crucial when working with AI. The way you ask questions or give instructions can make all the difference. So let's explore 5 genius prompting techniques that will help you get the best results from ChatGPT. Here are 5 prompt engineering techniques to improve your output. First up is 1. Specific and detailed instructions. Provide clear and concise instructions to the AI. Using action verbs and specific keywords can lead to much better responses. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about AI," try something like, "Write a concise summary of the article, the impact of AI on the job market, in 100 words or less." This gives ChatGPT a clear direction on what you want. 2. Role-playing. Our second technique is role-playing. By assigning a specific role to the AI, you can encourage more creative and informative responses. For instance, say, "You are a world-renowned expert in AI. Explain quantum computing in simple terms, as if you were talking to a child." This helps frame the response in a way that's engaging and easy to understand. 3. Question-answer format. Next is using a question-answer format. Breaking down complex topics into smaller, focused questions encourages deeper analysis and critical thinking. For example, you might ask, "What are the potential benefits and drawbacks of using AI in healthcare?" Provide specific examples. This approach helps guide ChatGPT toward more thoughtful responses. 4. Iterative refinement. Our fourth technique is iterative refinement. This involves using a step-by-step approach to refine the output. If the initial response isn't quite right, provide feedback and specific requests for improvement. For instance, you could say, "The response is too generic. Please focus on the ethical implications of AI and provide real-world examples." This helps hone in on exactly what you're looking for. 5. Negative prompting. And finally, we have negative prompting. This technique specifies what you don't want the AI to do, guiding it toward a more desired outcome. For example, you could instruct it, "Do not generate any text that is factually incorrect or biased. Focus on providing objective information." This clarity can help avoid common pitfalls. To wrap things up, we've discussed 5 genius prompts that can dramatically improve your interactions with ChatGPT. Being specific with instructions, using role-playing, asking focused questions, refining iteratively, and employing negative prompting. The power of effective prompting cannot be overstated. I encourage you all to experiment with these techniques and see how they transform your experience with AI language models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your tech tools.